Hello,
How are you?
I'm fine. You?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, very good.
It looks like you have a lesson 16, cheating?
Yes, but I don't know what is cheating. Cheating?
Cheating.
Cheating. Cheating?
No, cheating.
Cheating. Cheat.
There you go.
Cheat. Wow, it's difficult.
Yeah, it's like, it kind of sounds more like this. Eating. Cheating.
Cheating.
Yeah.
Cheating. It's easy now. Cheating.
All right, so I can open this, I think.
Let me open this lesson.
Yeah. Oh, okay, I see it. That's kind of cool.
Your name is?
I'm Gina. What's your name?
Gina. My name is Marcelo. I'm from Brazil.
Brazil. Very nice.
Yes. You?
I'm from the United States. I'm from Connecticut.
What is the city?
The city, okay, so we do states. So I'm from the state called Connecticut.
Oh, what is the name?
Connecticut.
Wow, it's difficult, this pronunciation.
You say it. Connecticut.
Cane?
Connecticut.
Cane is the name of your city?
This is the name of my state.
Ah, your state. Connecticut. Wow, it's very, very difficult.
Long name, yes. But we don't, the C in the middle, we don't say Connecticut. It sounds more like this. Connect.
Connect.
Connect. Cut. Oops, hold on 1 minute. Cut. Connecticut.
Connect. I cut. Wow. I think that this name of your state is the hardest. Yes.
It's a very hard name. And when we're children, we have to spell it. What state are you from? Like it's very long.
Yes. Let me just, okay. All right, okay. It's record this lesson, right? Yes, very good.
Lesson.
Record. Yes.
Yes. What number? What number lesson? You see the number?
16.
16, very good. So you know your numbers very well. Okay.
Yes.
So I want you to read. Let's see, can I pull it up on the screen? Or no? I want you to...
Let me do... Sorry?
Okay, so can you read? It says reading. You see the lesson, read the passage out loud with your tutor. You see?
Okay, let me see. I must start the read the first phrase, for example, reading. Read the passage out. Yes?
Yes, that one. Please read.
Okay, everybody shits. Shits is the pronunciation correct?
Sheets. No. Now listen. When you say it the other way, it is a bad word.
Shit is bad word?
Very bad word.
But shit for me maybe can be the application Excel, right? Shit.
No, that's a bad word. Okay, you want to say yes.
Okay.
Cheat.
Shit. No?
No, you are saying a very bad word, but it is okay.
Okay, but help me in two words. Okay, I know what is the word, bad word. For example, if something is not correct for me, yes. I can say shit, right? Shit is right. Shit is
Yeah.
the word bad. Bad word.
That's the bad word. Yes.
Yes, it's bad word. But what is the good pronunciation? What is the form?
Cheat.
Okay, but my question for you now is
Oh.
about Excel.
Like, what's a better word? A better word than shit?
Yeah, shit is bad word. I know, right?
Yeah. So you want a different word to use?
Different, yes, different between two things. The bad word shit. I know what is this, but what is the name for, or better, what is the pronunciation correct for shit from Excel? Of Excel, right?
Yeah, it's cheat. Cheat.
Cheats.
Cheat.
Cheats.
No S at the end, just cheat.
Ah, okay. Cheat.
Cheat.
Oh,
Okay.
cheat.
Cheat.
Yes.
Very good.
Okay. Cheat.
Everybody cheats.
Cheats. Cheats is a good word, right? Is
Yes.
correct.
Yes.
I can say cheats for my boss in
Yes.
meeting.
Oh, your grandmother. Yes.
Yes, yes. But shit is short, the word short, the pronunciation, right? Short. Shit is the bad word.
What?
Because I think that shit is long word.
Cheat.
The pronunciation, yes, the pronunciation is long. Shit is bad word. The pronunciation is short. Makes sense for you?
Yeah. Easier to say the bad word. Easier.
Yes.
Okay. But the two words do not mean the same thing. One word means poop.
Poop?
Yeah.
Poop? What is a poop?
Not good. It's like, okay, I'll show you.
Or type it for me.
No, I have to show you like in a picture. You'll see.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, I'm trying. Let's see. We need this. Emoji. Do you know what an emoji is?
Moldy?
Emoji.
Moldy.
Emoji. Okay, I'm gonna show you.
Mm-hmm. Please.
That.
Okay.
That.
This is shit.
That. Yes. Right.
Yes.
Now cheat. We're gonna learn about cheat. Cheat.
Cheats. Cheats.
Cheat.
Cheats.
Okay, ready? Everybody cheats. Please read.
Everybody cheats. Whether it's the taxi driver who tricks a visitor and takes them the long way around.
Very good.
The store cashier who doesn't give the current change.
Correct.
Or yes, correct. Sorry.
That's okay.
What I say for you?
You said current. You said.
Oh, sorry. Because I don't have my glass now.
Yeah, that's okay. Don't worry about it.
All right. Let me see. Doesn't give the correct change, or the policy officer.
Police officer.
Oh, police. It's not policy?
Nope, it's not police. It's definitely not. It's police.
Police. Okay. The police officer who accepts a bribe.
Yeah, let's stop at this word, accepts. Accepts.
Accepts.
Very good. Very good.
Accepts a bribe. Everybody's. Yes.
Yes.
At it. Helping cheaters.
Cheaters. Very good.
Oh, I'm happy now.
Yes. Cheaters.
All right, let me see. I don't remember more. Cheaters
Yep.
in the news include the scientist.
This is
Rose?
a hard word. This is scientist.
Yes.
Scientist.
Scientist, right?
Yes, exactly.
Scientist. What is the pronunciation for next word?
With?
What?
Oh, I'm sorry. Whose?
Whose? Okay. The science whose research
Very good.
was based on fake data.
Okay, so that word is based.
Based on fake data.
Mm-hmm.
The game show contest.
Contestant.
Contest. Oh, it's difficult too.
Contestant.
Contest. What? Sorry.
No, it's okay. Ready? Contestant.
Contestant.
Just listen. Don't look. Contestant.
Contestant.
Very good.
Okay. Contestant who collaborated with a friend in the audience. Tell me what is the word with sound T8? With?
Oh, with. Yes, very good. You've
with.
been saying your TH is good.
All right. A friend in the audience to win $1 million, and the doctor who forged. Contest. Oh, I don't remember more. Contest.
Okay, so no, you're going down to his.
Oh, sorry. His qualifications and wasn't right.
Yes.
Wasn't really a doctor at all. Everybody shit. Oh, sorry. It's not shit. Shits. Sorry for my bad word for you, okay?
That's okay. Say E.
Is?
E. Just the E.
E?
Mm-hmm. E.
Sorry. The sound.
Okay, ready? I say E. You say E. E. Yeah.
E. Okay.
Very good. Cheats. Yes.
Okay. I will forget about this.
It's very important.
Yes, very important. Okay, is cheating?
Yeah.
Cheating. Acceptable?
Cheating is not acceptable.
Okay, let's continue. Is it a natural way of surviving and being successful? It's difficult too. Successful.
Oh yeah, this is a hard word. Successful.
Yes. Successful.
Okay, no sh. Successful.
Successful. It's more easy now.
Yeah, successful.
Successful. Three what?
Syllable.
Yes. Successful.
Yes. You're getting there.
Okay.
You're doing very good. How long have you been practicing English, Marcelo?
1 year.
1 year?
Yes, 1 year.
Very nice.
Yes, very nice. But I am not happy now because I have 30 seconds, unfortunately.
That's okay. We practiced really good pronunciation.
Yes, I will see this video and I will try schedule with you again.
Sounds great. That's awesome.
Right?
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you very much for your help. Okay, I really enjoy our lesson, our talk now.
Me too.
Oh,
don't say shit. Don't say shit. Say
all right. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye-bye.